Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I have to tell you all the reasons that I am loving this protein powder from Hush and Hush. First off, everybody always wants to know, how does it taste? Well, I'll tell you what, it is so smooth and creamy. It has a subtle chocolate and vanilla flavor that isn't too sweet. The consistency is not chalky or gritty. It has a really good mouthfeel and I enjoy drinking it. Secondly, I sometimes react badly to protein powders, especially ones that have SUPERGREENS and superfoods like this one does. It'll make me have stomach aches, cramping, bloating, and gas, but I have had none of those issues with this protein powder. I'm so impressed by the list of ingredients that this has. It has many things in it that are good for improving your gut flora. Your gut flora has been referred to as your second brain, and it's so important to keep it healthy because it can boost immunity, make your skin clearer, and improve energy levels. Now, I've noticed that when I drink this, I do feel more energized, and I love that it has ginseng and green tea in it because that helps to boost energy levels but not give you a jittery feeling. Plus, I can use it as a meal replacement and it will keep me feeling full for hours when I blend it with a banana and some blackberries or blueberries. I love that they sent this really pretty scoop with it too because it's something that I can reuse. I'm so happy with the results that I've seen with using this protein powder. Not only is it not bothering my stomach, but I feel that it's actually improved my digestion. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.